So guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia. So right now guys, what we are doing guys is I'm replacing the electric stove of our house. So this one already failed guys. What happened to this one is even if you turn off the power guys, uh, this one guys won't turn off. It continuously light on. It's not shutting off. So there is something wrong with the control. So right now we already bought a new one. So I'm going to show you how to remove this one. Okay guys, when you work on this this kind of job guys, you need a scraper. This one is used for removing the sealant here because they apply some kind of sealant, so you need to scrape it. Then you need a voltage detector, so you use it for detecting power. So this one, it detects power. If you go here guys, no more power because I turn it off. So once you turn this one on, I detect that there is a power. So I'm going to turn it off. So no more power. So it's safe to work now guys. And you also need a screwdriver to remove the screw. And you also use it to install the wiring. So this is secured by screw guys. Okay guys, it's already mounted guys. So you just need to follow the color coding guys. So once you get the color coding installed in the right color coding guys, that's ready to put back guys. So very simple guys. Just put this one like this. And that's it guys. So we can put sealant in there guys, a silicone sealant underneath, but we will do it later. First thing we need to do is to test it whether it's working. Okay guys, let's try the oven guys. Let's power on. Then let's try the left. Then when you press the left, it will plus. The left is flashing. Power up. Then let's try all of them guys. So it's hitting now guys. Okay, so all of them, the 4 of them are working now guys. So our oven guys is working now. Stove is working now guys, electric stove. So once it reaches the temperature, it automatically turn off, then it will turn on again once it feels that it need to heat up, because that's the range of the temperature guys. So the maximum temperature that we can give is up to 9. See, we put this one on the left on top to 9, so it start to glowing up. Then the rest will also glow up because it's trying to reach the setting of the temperature. So everything is good now guys. Okay guys, if you like this kind of video guys, please subscribe to our channel so you can see more video like this. Please press the like button. Please press the notification bell so you will be notified every time I do a video guys. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye, paalam. Rides pa yan, pala yun guys. Nasaan na sila?